Hello! If we've never met, my name is Grace, and I'm a mom of 2 little cutie pies. I'm currently on a journey to lower my A1C after 2 rounds of gestational diabetes during my pregnancies. So join me today as I grocery shop for the week and make food that does our bodies good. It's currently Monday morning at 9 a.m. and 39 degrees outside. So we're gonna start our week with a matcha Monday.
And probably gonna have matcha Tuesday and matcha Wednesday.
Because why not? But matcha Monday just sounds better. Frothy. Hey, chew. Okay. 按耶稣奉告主耶稣的圣名，阿门。Whoa. Whoa. 这个很甜呢。It's so sweet. I guess it's blackberry season.
Baby.
Oh, man, I love that wasabi.
你要这么多东西。
We've got 2 stops. Not our first stop, which is H Mart.
Because we have Asian food and we gotta go to Publix for American food. Because we are Americans.
Precisely. We eat both Asian food and American food, and we always have to make 2 stops for grocery shopping. Okay. Gorgeous these apples are. Chinese special apples. That's what they're called for Lunar New Year. Yeah, I think this would be a great gift, actually. I might get it from my parents. Oh, he's on sale! Here's the full fat, which is 9 grams, and then
Here is, I guess, whatever's in the middle. It's 5 grams. Then here is the low fat one, which is 1 gram fat.
you're already drinking oat.
So I really have to be so stingy.
Okay, just put everything away, and I just need a moment. Oh, I love this. 0 sugar Snapples. I actually, in my head, love grocery shopping. I think grocery shopping is,
Very fun.
I love finding good deals and I love getting inspiration from what other people are buying. But every time after an entire grocery shopping trip for the week, I'm wiped. Especially if I take it with me. But even if I don't, just is draining for some reason. But the idea of grocery shopping, I love.
I think I enjoy grocery shopping.
See if it's at least a little bit soft. Oh my gosh, it's perfect! I like making it in a big batch into a big tub, then just sealing everything in my vacuum seal container. Because if you ever feel lazy during the week, don't feel like cooking, this is what we go for. It's delicious, it's super filling, and so good for your bodies. And we're gonna go in with some corn, onions, then some fiber with celeries. Light mayo. Oh my gosh, my hand doesn't really fit, but there's only a little bit left, so I'm just gonna use my hand. Ooh, my hand's already dirty. Just gonna go in and break the eggs. It's honestly the best way because then you have like the uneven chunks, some really big chunks, and then some really small chunks, instead of just having like a bunch of tiny minced cubes. A little pepper, a little salt. Alrighty. Okay, here goes the last part of the egg salad. In the start of the show. Ooh, it's hot. Roasted gogumas that I just straight up popped in the air fryer at 400 degrees. And they get super gooey, ooey inside. Really soft. Wow. Like that. And we're just gonna mash all this into the egg salad. So good. Okay, vacuum sealed into the fridge. It is now 2:30, which means it's time to go pick up Didier. And then also I call the doctors for a quick little doctor's visit. We're late, we're late. We're on this. We got a 94 here. This mirror that I ordered forever ago just came in. It's a full-length mirror. And Lucas is putting it up in our bathroom right now. I'm so excited. So there were towel hangers here before, and I just decided to buy a mirror that was exactly as wide as that, so we don't have to paint it. We'll just put a mirror over it. So excited. It actually feels super high quality. This is what we're gonna do. All the OOTDs that we never do. It's getting close to dinner time, so I gotta get ready to cook. But I don't want to cook in this because it's freezing. So I'm thinking of a little turtleneck situation. Chef?
Does this scream chef?
Okay, I'm gonna change real quick and then let's get cooking. We are working with some kale, miso, onion, ginger, goji berries, jujube, and carrots. There we go. Look at that. Stir that vegetable in first. Okay. Last things, cannellini beans and kale. Yeah. Simmer for a little bit, and then should be good. It's basically a mixture of white chili with the cannellini beans and kale soup with Chinese herbs and miso paste. For some reason, it works so well because the Chinese herbs brings out all the sweetness while the miso paste brings the umami, and then all the vegetable soup just brings the whole thing together and makes it so hearty. Cheers! We've been healed. Just got the girls down. I'm gonna do some quick skincaring. You know what's crazy is that this was the very first day that I actually recorded every single thing that I ate, which is something that my doctor had recommended. But she was like, if you're gonna have to write down or if you're gonna have to record it, it's gonna make you think twice.
And you know what?
She ain't wrong. She ain't wrong. Because I think I was way more intentional about what I cooked because
It was gonna be on camera.
and if I had eaten any refined sugar today, then I'd have to fess up. I know that we all know that writing things down helps, but knowing it is one thing and doing it is a whole other thing. So I really felt like I reaped the benefits of actually doing it today. Anyways, I gotta go hop in the shower now. But if you're still watching, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for being a part of this journey. If anything, I hope this was an inspiration for you to eat what is right for your body and eat what makes your body feels good, especially if you're a mom. Even though we always have little ones clinging to our bodies, we still can prioritize our bodies. So eat well, stay well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.